Hello my beautiful gorgeous babes out there, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. But today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my IPSY Glam Plus and an unboxing of my BoxyCharm BoxyLuxe box. Just showing you guys what I got in each subscription. I've been subscribed to them for a while now, and I thought, hey, why don't I do a video and share what I got and kind of my opinions on the whole subscription and see if this is something, if you haven't tried yet, might be interested in. So let's just jump into this video. I'm going to show you first what I got in my IPSY Glam bag. A cool thing about this brand, well not brand but subscription, it goes for $25 a month and you get about 5 full-size products, and they do also have a feature on their site where you can do add-ons each month. You can do up to 3 add-ons. Their full-size products are $12 and the deluxe samples are $3, and they're usually high-end brands and like really good products that you get like a really good deal on. So that's really something I do love about IPSY, and I've been happy with everything I've gotten from them so far. So I'm just going to show you what the box came with, and I'm going to show you the 3 add-ons that I added on to the box this month. But the first product that we got from IPSY was the, well not we, but me, got the 111 Skin Harley Street London Vitamin C Brightening Booster Serum. So this is just a vitamin C serum. It looks like this as the bottle right here, which is good that it's black because vitamin C seems to break down when there's a lot of light exposure, so you know it's gonna last. And this bad boy retails for $180, which is crazy to think that this was in a $25 subscription box. Then I got the Trestique Matte Color Shiny Balm Lip Crown. This is what the box looks like. This is in the shade Belize Bordeaux. And for that lip crown, it goes for $25, and what it is this the crown part on one end. This is how it looks right here, and one end is a crown lip pencil, and then the other end has a lip balm, which I think is kind of cool. So they have like a moisturizing lip balm and then like a crown that you can put on, and this says that Trestique knows you're busy. That's why all their products multitask as much as you do. So it's a dual-ended lippy. You can create endless looks on the go, from matte and opaque to sheer and glossy. So you can do a matte look or a glossy look with the 2 ends, which is cool. This is very like berry color. I'm excited. Let me swatch the color for you guys so you guys can see. But I'm assuming that if people got this, that there are variants in the color. Like that's one thing, is like the boxes are kind of a surprise and there's different variations, so you never know which variation you're gonna get. But they say they customize it to your likes, so you do a beauty quiz, and they say that they curate the box to fit your beauty likes and what you wanna see in your box. And then I got the Suva Beauty eyeliner. This is what it looks like. It's one of those like liner pots. Hopefully you can see that. And then it came also with a Suva Beauty eyeliner brush. So these 2. This is one, a very interesting looking texture inside. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like inside. It looks quite dry in the pot, so I don't know. Let's see what it says on here. This retails for, the set retails for $26. It says Suva Beauty aims to create beauty products that inspire creativity, starting with this liner and brush combo. The inky water activated cake liner glides on with a smooth matte finish to create precise lines that won't smudge, fade, or transfer. Interesting. So I guess it's saying that you have to wet the brush and then put it in there, and that activates the whole liner situation. Definitely gonna have to try that. I normally don't do pot liners. I'm more into just like the pen style, but I'm gonna have to give that a try. I didn't put it on. I am wearing some of the products I'm going to be talking about today. And then they had a texturous theme going on this month. They did a collection with Tetris, and there's a full collection that you can actually purchase on their website, but in each box they included one of the palettes from the collection. That I got from the collection was the Tetris Game On palette. This was what the outer carton looked like, and this is what the shades look like in here. Very, very pretty, more on the neutral side. And then this is a mirror, and this is Game On. I really, really love this mustard shade right here. It's actually what's in my crease right now, and if you guys haven't noticed, my eye is a little pink on that side. I don't know what I did to it. And then I put this shade, Game Night, all over the lid, and it has that shimmery, just kind of mustardy look. It kind of has a gold, not a gold, but a green shift to it. And I just love this. It was really pigmented. The matte shade just glided on. It blended easily. It was very buttery and silky and soft. So I think the shadows so far are really good quality in here. But this one looks like it retails for $24. So this was, we partnered with the iconic video game Tetris on its 35th anniversary to create a limited edition collection celebrating our different sizes, shapes, colors, and unique beauty. Okay, so this is to celebrate Tetris's 35th anniversary. That's why they did it, I guess. I did not knew that. And then I got the, what else did I get? Am I missing something? Is that everything in my box? Oh, I got the Apto Skincare. It's a turmeric healing mask. It says it's a skin healing ingredients like turmeric and neem extract travel deep into the skin pores to draw out impurities and help reduce redness and inflammation in the lightweight mask. Azelaic acid gently slots away dead skin. Ooh, cool. So this is $32. I really do like skincare products that have turmeric in it, because turmeric does have a lot of healing benefits to it. But this is what the bottle looks like. It is 2 fluoro ounce, 60 mils is what comes in this. And if I didn't mention, that retails for, I think I said it, $32. Yeah, $32. So that was everything that I got in my box as my regular items. And then the 3 add-ons that I did was I picked up the second palette in the Tetris collection that they came out with, and it was this one. This is what the outer carton looks like, and this one was called Block Party, and this is more of a, I guess, purple bluey theme going on here. But these shadows were so pretty, I wanted this one as well, because I am a sucker for palettes. I just can't help myself. And then that's how the top part looks with the mirror. I think these shades are so pretty, and if they perform as well as the palette, the other palette, then I cannot wait to put these on my eyes. And this, I believe, also retailed for $25, but as an add-on, I only paid $12 to add this to my box. Then I got the, from their the Tetris collection, this brush. This add-on was only $3, so I only got 1 brush, and it's the small little blending brush. They did have a whole brush set in the collection that was $12 to add that on, but it was too late. It sold out before I could add it to my box, so I just picked up 1 brush. I really needed a shader brush like this, and this is what I used to put on my eye makeup today in the crease, and it was perfect. It just fit in the crease so well. This is good if you want to do detailed blending work. And the last thing that I added on, which I'm so excited for, this was only $12 to add to my box, and it's the Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydrating Cream. Oh my god. If you guys know anything about skincare, you know Sunday Riley is an expensive brand. This is a vitamin C brightening moisturizer. I love vitamin C products. This is what the cream looks like inside. Smells very citrusy. I did use from this line the serum, and I loved it. And oh my god, $12, like for real? This goes for $65 on Sephora's website, so that is such a steal. But those are the 3 things I added to my IPSY box. So that was it for IPSY. Now moving on to BoxyLuxe BoxyCharm unboxing here. The first item I got was the Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. Pharmacy is such a good brand. They're also sold at Sephora. They're very like on the more natural side. This doesn't have a lot of chemicals in it. It's synthetic, fragrant free, mineral oil free, paraben free, formaldehyde free, phthalate free. It's cruelty free. This says it is what? A powerful multi-correctional night serum that resurfaces skin for smoother, oh my god, youthful looking glowing complexion. So this is what you would wear at night. The acids in here will kind of break down the dead skin. It will resurface, make you look all glowy in the morning. And this is what the bottle looks like. Very nice. It feels very simplistic but very luxe. And it does have a pump top. I can't wait to try this. I love serums. And I think from what I remember from the card, it was around $58. So yeah, you know what? I also forget to mention, BoxyLuxe is, BoxyCharm is $21 a month, and they usually do 5 full-size products. But if you upgrade, it's called BoxyLuxe, and every 3 months you will get a bigger box that has double the product amount, like 8 full-size products for $49.99. So during the non-BoxyLuxe months, you pay the $21 and get the regular box. And then every 3rd month, you will pay $49.99 and get the upgraded box. You don't have to upgrade it to it, but you can if you want to get additional things. BoxyCharm includes skincare, makeup, and hair care products, as well as IPSY does that. I forgot to mention that as I start showing stuff. Then I got the Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser. Looks like it kind of got scuffed up in the box, but this says it's a pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser. I guess it's supposed to be gentle and nice on the skin. I forgot what this retailed for, somewhere in the $20–$30 range, but I'm excited to try that out. This box, for some reason, had lots of kind of skincare-ness going on. And then we got the No Problem Prime Essence Touch and Soul. Here is the brand Prime Essence. Never heard of a Prime Essence, but listen guys, you hear how liquidy that is inside? But I think this retailed like in the $20 range. And it says it has Calendula Officinalis flower extract. From what I remember reading the carton here, this is, sorry, what the carton looked like. It says it's supposed to help make you have a smooth canvas and help kind of shrink your pores. It doesn't really say it's necessarily hydrating, but I don't know, something new. Never heard of a Prime Essence before. Then for some hair care products, we got the Living Proof Full Dry Blast Volume Spray. Living Proof is another high-end hair care brand. They sell it on Sephora and Ulta. And this is supposed to give you instant lasting volume and texture. I did spray a little bit in my hair. And honestly, I did a little bit and I didn't do it very well. I just kind of pulled my hair up and sprayed it in there. And it looks like it definitely did give me some volume. So I like this. And it smells super, super good. And I think this retailed somewhere in the $30 range. Guys, I wish I could find that little card, but I suck at life. And then the other hair care product was the PYT. This is a mini hair blow dryer. And from what I remember, this retailed for $80, which I think is super expensive. I wouldn't even pay for a full price, full size blow dryer for that price, but it's because I'm cheap. But I have not even tried to plug it in, but from what I saw in the reviews and them talking about it, it does have like a strong blower on it, and it has attachments that it comes with. So if you're someone who travels a lot, this would be an excellent thing to travel with if you always blow dry your hair and do your hair wherever you go, because it has the attachments. It's little, easy to pat. It has a nice rubbery outside thing. And like I mentioned in IPSY, the boxes are different. Everyone doesn't get the same box. It goes based on your beauty quiz, but you will get variants, and each person will get variants in their box. I'm getting tired of talking. Okay, and then I got the Tarteist Pro Glow Volume 3 from Tarte. I actually really love these style palettes that they have. I have the other 2 versions. but this is what the outer package looks like, and then inside has 2 bronzers, 2 blushes, and 2 highlighting shades. This one is kind of like a shimmery bronzer. 2 little mirrors. I actually have that on my face right now. I use the blush and the highlight. I think they blend it beautifully, and they're nice and silky. Felt really good on the face. And I believe this one retails for $45. And then I think we're getting down to the end here. Oh yes, and then I got, this is what the box looked like, but the Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss, lemonade lip gloss, I believe it's called, the line, and this is in the shade Peach Tea, which I love. I actually have it on my lips right now, and it's kind of like a creamy lip gloss. It's very hydrating. It's not like super sticky or anything, and I feel like it just gave a nice little sheer color to the lips. I do like peachy glosses, peachy lipsticks. I love peachy stuff. And that retailed, I think, for $18, somewhere around there. And the last thing, last but not least, I got the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. I've never tried this brand before, but it says it's supposed to help you kind of be radiant and dewy, illuminate the skin. It has peppermint, ginger, rosemary, black winter truffle, some kind of rose. It's supposed to be pH balancing and tighten the pores and and set the skin. But I actually really like the smell of this one. And I'm gonna spray some on my face. Oh my god, I don't know what's going on with me right now. Does that make me look dewy? It does have pretty good of a mist on there. It's pretty fine, but there are some bigger little chunky droplets that come out of it. But I like the smell. It's very like medicinal smelling and pepperminty. Just feels like really refreshing. So I like that. I'm not usually a dewy skin mist kind of girl, but every now and then you need some dew in your life. All right, and I thought that was the last product. I almost forgot to mention, I picked up the Trestique, well, didn't pick up, but got the Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. And the cool thing about this one is it has a attached eyelash curler. It's very small, but you gotta do like your lashes in part. But I actually used that today on my lashes and use the mascara, which is on the other end, and this is kind of wand. It's kind of a hourglass shape like the Too Faced Better Than Sex, but more on the thin side. The formula is very wet, but it definitely made my lashes look very full and long, a lot longer than normal. And I prefer to use mascara than wear falsies. I'm just more comfortable that way. I just don't like the hassle of putting false lashes on, and I think my natural lashes are pretty good, and this mascara definitely does help make it look longer and like really full and nice. So far I like it. Who knows, hopefully it doesn't like flake or smudge throughout the day. But that is it. That is it for what I got in my 2 boxes here. Let me know if you guys subscribe to them as well, and if you do, what you got in your box. I love to hear from you guys. And if you do have any questions about these subscription services, leave your comments below and I will definitely respond to you ASAP. But until next time, bye guys.